everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. And I've got a great tip to share with you today. Now, whenever I can, I love to upcycle. Today I wanted to talk about our washi tape. Now, this can be found on page 199, and we have the best route, and this is the Pick a Pattern washi tape. So all you're going to do is you're going to save your braid ties, okay? And you're going to add it at the end. And what's going to happen is that's going to help you find the end every time. You're going to know always where your end is. But not only that, it's going to give you a great little like a place to hold. So when you're pulling your washi tape, you've got that little extra hold piece. So I hope you guys found today's tip useful. Don't forget, save these guys. All you're going to do, you're going to find your end and you are going to attach the braid tie. Just like so. Super cool, you guys. Save the braid ties. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Share this video with your friends. I hope you have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope you'll join me back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.